Hi pretties, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing that clean girl aesthetic. I like it. I like the aesthetic, but like I don't do it. Like sometimes like I feel like I don't have like a set like aesthetic. I feel like, well, it's a little like bougie and a little bit like auntie, but but then you'll see me out and you're like, oh my gosh, she's a different girl. You know, at home I'll be bougie and comfortable, you know. Sometimes I just be wearing whatever, but like most times I'm bougie. I'm silk robe. No, it's too hot for a silk robe. Let me shut up. We're gonna do the Bella Hadid clean girl aesthetic look. This picture right here. Should I put it right here or right here? Right here. Duh. But yeah, we're gonna do that look. I'm gonna get the whole outfit together and whatnot and all of that and stuff though. We are about to do the clean girl aesthetic natural edition. These are 3C and 4A bundles. So yeah, it could be a 4B too, honestly. It could be a 4B. So yeah, we're gonna do the clean girl aesthetic. Let's get into it. Yep, my hair looks a mess. Yep. Wow, that was wrapped around there. Let it go, let it go. This hair still has that dye in it, and I don't want it to. I need to like. I should have wet my hair to begin with because I'm gonna be looking crazy. The balance. Oh look, see, is the blue stuff. Is get it though? It got on my couch. You know what? Oh well. But I should probably put something right there. I'm ruining the aesthetic, but it has to happen, okay? Keep the couch safe, especially these parts, you know. I don't think it, whatever. Okay. I don't know where ooh. Should I start doing talking videos, like, instead of just doing hair? Because I'm not really good at doing hair, girl. And now forever and always be. Okay, let's get into it. This time I'm serious. I already put my oil. I have the what is that? Dang, what is it? It's that oil with the peppermint oil in it. It's the green, it has a green logo, like the green label. You know, it's by, I forgot what they're called, but yeah, I got that. I just gave up on that. I'm not about to be doing this over and over again, like. So I'm not gonna embarrass myself by showing my tiny little ponytail, but what I did decide to do is to get the clip-ins. Don't be looking when I turn to the side. Let me put it in a little bun. Okay, I'm gonna comb the rest of these out and I'll be right back. Damn, this shit hard, man. I'm struggling. Oh, that's why. I think I look cute. I think I look kind of cute. Like oh yes, I did another one. I'm proud of myself. I thought about myself. But like, yes, this is kind of giving like clean girl. Like, I'm on my way. First it's giving like bougie auntie girl, but like now it's kind of giving clean girl, but I need to change. So we're gonna do like a whole lookbook. So I'm gonna take this piece. Well, actually, I'm gonna like do that, like you know, how she had it. But damn, this will be a good time to find my clip. And doesn't just be doing stuff. Like, why does she do stuff? Like, she does it, she does it. It's like, it's not doing, you know? So I'm just gonna flip this and make sure the tracks are covered. Whoop diddy whoop, you know? And then we're just gonna clip it. Flip and clip. Flip and clip it. Flip and clip. Oh, maybe I should have it a little higher. Flip and clip it. Flip it. We can have it like this, natural style. Cleopatra doing her thug thistle. I think I'm gonna leave it like this. It's giving, hold on. I gotta put the whole outfit on before I start hyping myself, you know what I'm saying? All right, so I have the outfit on, you know, simple, you know, nothing too crazy, but I really want to show you guys the clean girl aesthetic makeup look with makeup that I wear, you know, almost every day.
It's okay for my sanity. I choose peace and I'll forever and always be present. I am enough as I am. I am fully equipped. Even when the tide and the current start to share, I am adaptable. I am adaptable. Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. It's safe for me to be grounded in the present moment. I honor God when I honor me. I honor God when I honor you. You honor God when you honor me. If you don't honor God, how could you honor me? Honor me.
I look so cute. Okay, I'm not gonna put any lip gloss on for the clean girl aesthetic. I'm thinking about wearing shoes, but I don't know what kind of shoes. Like, I don't really have in the now outfits. Ignore my tattoos for the aesthetic. Okay, so this is the clean girl aesthetic look. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. I put my chain right here because I don't like when, like, I feel like with the aesthetic, at least, they don't wear, like, well, sometimes they do, but like, oh, it's a different aesthetic. So I just put my little, my little, my cross right there, you know, because Jesus is king. But okay, never do that again in your life. So yeah, these shoes I got from Zara. They're so cute. I only wore these one time, and like, I haven't been anywhere like to wear these boots, you know. It's hot right now. So these are what it is. I love them. These shoes are uncomfortable, but they're cute, okay? They're just giving. Oh my God, you are embarrassing. But yeah, so look, is the look giving? I'm gonna show you guys what, you know, I'm gonna show you guys the details. So here is my choker. It's not really a choker. It's like a herringbone chain, but it's really not. I got it from Forever 21. You know how they like to add stuff. Like, it's not giving. But I was like, okay, what's gonna fit this aesthetic? And I was like, this is gonna fit this aesthetic. So yeah. And I have like kind of the soft makeup look. Like, it's kind of soft. You know, my eyebrows, they don't move. My hair, it don't move. But like, yeah, I sweated out my edges because it's hot as hell in here. But the air conditioning is so loud. Like, it is so loud. This is a shirt. I got this from Zara. It's just a white shirt. The pants are also from Zara. This is a whole Zara look. I feel like Zara looks are like this. Like, it's very like clean girl. Very clean girl aesthetic, you know? The details, okay? Okay. Hey, better length. This is what you got. This is giving really 4B. It could weasel its way into 4C, probably. But yeah, it's giving clean girl. It's giving clean girl aesthetic. It's giving Bella Hadid. Okay, here's us together. What face does she make? Oh, okay, this is cute though. You like my clip? I got this from Tracy Ellis Ross. Her brand, it's like a natural hair brand. It's called Pattern. All right, you guys, so that is it for the clean girl aesthetic. I even moved some stuff so that it looks like that clean, that empty vibe, you know. I should put like a vase right here or something, you know. Hold on. And like some pompous or something coming out of it. That's cute. That's really cute. This is how I would add to the clean girl aesthetic. Like, it's giving cool girl, okay? It's giving, yes, you're cool. Yes, you're wonderful. Yes, you're fabulous. You get it, but what's the game? All right, don't forget, you are pretty, and don't let anybody tell you otherwise, okay? Okay. Bye.